So I always see the commercials where people have saved X amount of dollars for switching to certain companies. And I always chuckle because why would they, unless the coverage was better, why would they switch? So, and most people are just looking for that savings, and they're not thinking about the backside of what saving $500 a year by switching to XYZ company can cost them in the long term. So definitely, I always caution them to make sure they're using an insurance professional. And I do prefer using someone that's local because this is how I always am. I think that helps our economy. And then they'll have someone that they can put a face with a name and build a relationship long term, and be able to do something like that. So,
And I can give you, Christian, I can give you kind of an example of that. We just went through a period of time when, a lot of people didn't leave their house for a couple months. And if you had the right relationship with your insurance agent, somebody that's sitting there with 3 cars and only driving to the store once a week, and they're full coverage, full liability on their cars, a quick phone call to the insurance agent, and you literally could have suspended coverage on a couple of those vehicles and saved during this whole period of time, and just not driven the vehicles which you weren't driving anyway.
right.
And being advised of what that means and how to do those kinds of things, that happens with a local insurance agent.
Right.
It doesn't happen with a 1-800 whatever.
Right. Yeah. And I know a lot of people are talking like, hey, we're going to cancel this or cancel that. And I'm like, well, you got to be careful because you could have, you can't cancel your flood insurance until you pay off your mortgage. Then it's up to you if you want to have it, but it doesn't mean you shouldn't have it. So those are conversations that a lot of people don't. They just want to save that dollar, and they can cause themselves a lot of financial hardships down the road.